say个 hi， 镜头这 vlog。Hello. The only thing we value the most is probably connections, and yet we struggle to get them in this world. Especially quality connections is the most important part.
碰白了，不是碰白了，我去。他的刚才是非常好用。看是啊，也让人上好，每个人有每个人的漂亮。他不能说是太炫了，那过了那正常，过不了就不正常，过不了。哎呀，拿捏。
喂妈，对不对？妈 right mom, right mom. She's doing her thing. Bro, 看上去特别好吃啊妈。Except she's. Bro, this is old moms, by the way, from China. What stands out is the people that really have kind of the same goal in mind, kind of the same kind of drive in themselves. That's the only thing that I really miss, is the fact that you used to be able to just go up to someone and just say, hey, I want to talk to you, I want to just hang out. And the fact that China is a very introverted country where you don't really talk to strangers, it's pretty hard to do that. So I came across as very, very creepy. Okay.
A few moments
Turn that shit
later.
down real quick. Oh, ND filter actually is pretty good. It's just sometimes it vignettes at the edges, which isn't that good. Alright, we just arrived at the second rework, whatever it's called. I'm gonna start working now.
From April 2nd, when you truly work for yourself, you won't have hobbies, you won't have weekends, and you won't have vacations, but you won't have work either.
This is the paradox of working for yourself, which every entrepreneur or every self-employed person is familiar with, which is that when you start working for yourself, you basically sacrifice this work-life balance thing. You sacrifice this work-life distinction. There's no more 9 to 5. There's no more office. There's no one who's telling you what to do. There's no playbook to follow. At the same time, there's nothing to turn off. You can't turn it off. You are the business. You are the product. You are the work. You are the entity. And you care. If you're doing something that's truly yours, you care very deeply. So you can't turn it off. And that's the curse of the entrepreneur.
Go. Introduce your product. Go. 就是介绍一下产品。
现在介绍吗？再等2天，你不着急，今天这一期就这样做吧。我们马上就上。
Okay. Launch. He just met an entrepreneur in WeWork, not entrepreneur, but this guy is pretty much an anomaly in China because of the way that he is building at such an old age. And it had to fail so that I can't access Claude Code, so I can't program. And now I'm self-hosting so that I can actually access internet from China. Yeah. Currently just trying to fix the VPN because Bro, China is so weird with this VPN. I cannot, bro. Like it's so bad because of how slow all the VPN stuff is. I have to now try to manually set up an overseas server where I can take my VPN there. It sounds complicated, but it's actually just based in ChatGPT and all that shit. But yeah, it's way faster than any other non-custom VPNs, and hopefully it will get faster over time. And I need to use it for coding, especially.
The next day.
That's kind of cool. Very huge space. This is like the most massive rock climbing gym in all of Asia. I'm waiting for my friend who designs a game for a living, and he's apparently not doing it for the money, but that's just the start. So we'll see how good we can climb and stuff like that. 爬 V 几？你也是高手吧？一般就是V4左右，V4 V5。
V4以下吧。
我做一个 vlog。Say hi. Hello. Say good. This is my friend. We're both waiting for this other friend that's
他来了吗？
really good at climbing. He's on his way. Like, 对不起，我忘了你不会说中文，说英文。那个他是在路上。对。就不录你。你如果对这个镜头不太喜欢的话，我就不录你。OK， 那我就关了。
Vlog man, not the face.
The man, the myth, the legend. Holy shit.
Is it recording?
It's recording.